What's up? Welcome back to another vlog. Yes, I'm gonna be playing with that a freaking lot. Guys, I have like a really exciting news. So, you guys might be wondering why I'm coming at you at like noon and like the night time. So, tomorrow we are going... Come on. Tell them what we are doing. Camping! If you guys don't know this lovely, amazing girl, you should totally go subscribe. Yes, please go subscribe to my channel in the description below. Because like yes, queen, yes, shameless self promo. And if you guys are coming from her channel, please subscribe to me to become part of the emoji squad. So we are just currently waiting for our food because we ordered some like really good McDonald's. So I'm just hungry and I just can't wait to eat, guys. You know me. Food is like literally my best friend. You guys should also like this video if you like the daily vlogs, and I'll see you guys when the food comes here. The best part of my day, obviously, like, duh. Hey guys, this is the outfit of the day. So we got this shirt which I got from Mr. Price, and then we got this overall pants thingamabob which I got from Pep Stores, y'all. Yes. And then we got the Vans which I got from Legit. That is legitness. We got the McDonald's. Whoop whoop. Yes. McDonald's burger. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. The best burger. And chips. I'm just gonna eat and then like I'm gonna go to bed and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. And then we go on and we'll be going camping. So I'm really excited and I'll see you guys then. Good night. Hey guys, so you guys might know it is the next day and I just got back from school. I'm officially done with my grade. Yay! But anyway, so what's going to happen now is my mom is just gonna get us some lunch and then we're gonna hop into the car and then we're going to our camping destination. I am so excited and I hope you guys are too, because you know, like, it's the best ever. And I'll see you guys in the car. Bye. Got to the house and it looks so nice here. We're gonna take a lot of good pictures tomorrow and I'm just so excited that we got here to the camp and everything's gonna be nice and great. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna give you guys a real house tour of how this cabin thing looks, and it's really, really pretty, so let's get to it. Hey guys, so here is our house. Let's go in and go up. Here is the kitchen. Here is the living room. Looks so nice. And we got the bra area here. The dick. Then you got my ankle, my lamb.
Ja, ik heb allemaal linker vrouw. Het zit gezegd, allemaal gaan maar verkopen. Het is gewoon, het is precies wat het gaat.
Then this is our room. Dun, 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 dun. This is the bathroom. Ah, yes, honey. Yeah, and this is the boys' room. And the one girl's room that's there. Yeah. And then you will find another bathroom, which is so cool because it has these things. I love the shower. It looks so cool, guys. Ah. And then yeah, there's a toilet. You go through here. And here is the telescope thing, you see, and the bed, and this. It's really cool. Okay. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to become part of the Magic Squad. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye!